In order to print using your TouchNet card from one of the computers in one of our computer labs, you're going to print the same way you would before, but you're going to make sure that your driver is GoPrint driver. And after a certain point, that might be the only driver available, but right now you might have options. So you want to choose GoPrint driver. That will bring up this cloud printer box. You're going to choose whether you want black and white or color, and that is decided at this point. So whichever one you choose there, that's what you're going to be charged for. So please be careful there. Then you're going to put in your student ID, 7 digits. If you have a 6-digit student ID, please add that leading 0. If you have 7 digits, you're just going to put in the number. And so go ahead and type that in. And it does not double check you, right? So you need to make sure that you get that right. So I was putting it in incorrectly. It'll still submit that way, but you won't get your print job. So make sure you put it in correctly. And then it will say that it's updating its document. It will tell you how much it charged you. It will tell you what the title of your document was. And that's really all you have to do to send it to the print release station. And then there's another video about the print release station if you need that. Or someone in the library can help you. If you're printing from online on the web, you're going to get this same menu, right, in one of our print computers at the library. You can do all those changes about which pages you want, custom, that kind of stuff. But you're going to want to be on that GoPrint driver again. Again, you're going to choose black and white or color. Again, you're going to put in that student ID number. And then down at the bottom, you can control the number of copies. You can choose specific pages. You can choose it to print on both sides, but that will not change the cost of your printing. So then it's going to take a little bit to upload that document. It might be a little bit slower than the print process you're used to, but it'll show you how many pages it's printing, how many copies you made, and what that total cost will be. And so then you're going to go to find your nearest TouchNet release station, TouchNet GoPrint release station, and then you'll be able to print your job. I hope that helps.